it goes.
Hey, catch this right quick,
I'm rocking.
Yeah, shout out to you,
Rockin'
Uncle Stage. Here we go.
I'm
Rockin'.
rocking.
There you go. Now it's time to roll. I'm rocking. And there we go. It's time to roll, and I'm rocking. There you go. There you go. I'm rocking. I'm rocking. I'm rocking. Let's go. Our names don't fit in your mouth. Should get your tongue snatched out your mouth. My dumb ass get hype and start going dumb and hypey on you. Twitch your tongue out your mouth. I'll let you later. The streets get lit like an all-star game. All-stars playing their position in the game. Some might not know it's bigger than rapping, cause they in a different bracket. Rescore with the Lord, renew my soul. Nigga, get your change, now you looking good in the game. And I'll never be able to kill all the rat shit. Just make sure I don't buy nobody out with that rat out shit. Yep. Wipe out. I'm wiping out as many as I can. They ain't gotta be slipping. Nobody never said it'd be easy. I knocked that motherfucker off that goddamn slime ball. Somebody missing in the game, that motherfucking hater out the game. And the ones thinking they got away with some shit. The game is gonna catch up with you about that shit, man. Knock on your door, spit two hot loogies in your face, scram and escape. Measure twice and cut once. 2 shots, but the first one had him done. Let me get up off this record player. Shit, I ain't saying that. I'm rocking. There you go. Now it's time to roll. I'm rocking. And there we go. It's time to roll, and I'm rocking. There you go. There you go. I'm rocking. I'm rocking. I'm rocking. Let's go. Let me get up off this record player. Shit, I ain't saying that. Talking about nothing. Knock on your door, spit 2 hot loogies in your face, scram and skate. The ones thinking they got away with some shit. The game is gonna catch up with you about that shit, man. Somebody missing in the game, that motherfucking hater out the game. I knocked that motherfucker off that goddamn slime ball. They ain't gotta be slipping, nobody never said it'd be easy. Wipe out. I'm wiping out as many as I can. And I'll never be able to kill all the rat shit. Just make sure I don't buy nobody out with that rat out shit. Yup. Nigga, get your change, now you looking good in the game. Rescore with the Lord, renew my soul. Some might not know it's bigger than rapping, cause they in a different bracket. Streets get lit like an all-star game. All-stars playing their position in the game. Yup, my dumb ass get hype and start going dumb and hypey on you. Twitch your tongue out your mouth. I'll let you later.